Hey Rod, I'm looking to buy a home. I've been divorced. Can I use alimony to buy my home?
Hello and welcome to Ask the Lender. My name is Rod Ferrier. I'm a licensed loan originator as well as a U.S. Navy veteran. Hey Kelly, that is a really good question. And there are situations that you can use your alimony to qualify for a mortgage. The first thing is the alimony has to continue for 3 or more years. You also have to have been receiving that alimony for at least 6 months. And last, you have to have a court order showing that alimony is required to be paid. Does that help answer your question?
Totally helps answer my question. Thank you, Rod.
If you have found this information helpful, do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click that bell right there to get notified when I post more helpful content just like this.